Imagine a future where Toyota completely transforms the EV industry with an electric car priced at just $19,990, while delivering an incredible 550 kilometers of driving range on a single charge. It sounds almost unbelievable, but the reports surrounding the Toyota BZ 2026 are generating massive excitement across the automotive world. If these expectations become reality, the Toyota BZ 2026 could become one of Toyota's most important electric vehicles ever, combining long range, advanced technology, and an affordable price in a way that could reshape the global EV market. This isn't just another electric car launch. It could mark the beginning of a new era for affordable electric mobility, forcing competitors around the world to rethink their strategies. So before we break down the technology, pricing, features, and what this could mean for the future of electric vehicles, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and buckle up, because what you're about to discover could completely change the future of affordable EVs. We're talking about a car that redefines EV pricing, manufacturing, and what a so-called budget vehicle can actually deliver. And if you think this is just another concept or PR stunt, think again. Prototype testing is already underway, engineering details have begun to surface. Industry analysts have taken notice. Legacy automakers are feeling the pressure, and no one is ready for what happens next. Because this isn't just a new car. This is Toyota triggering a global price war with the Toyota BZ, delivering numbers that seemed impossible just a year ago. Let's talk about that number again. $19,990. To understand how incredible that is, you need some context. The average electric vehicle globally costs more than $47,000. In the United States, that figure climbs above $55,000. Even Toyota's current electric models are priced significantly higher. Now, imagine Toyota introducing the Toyota BZ 2026 with more than 550 kilometers of driving range at nearly one-third of that price. That's not just undercutting the competition. It's completely changing the market. It's cheaper than the BYD Dolphin, cheaper than the Wuling Hongguang Mini EV in China, and even cheaper than a base model Tesla in many markets. And that's before government incentives are taken into account. In countries where EV incentives are available, the effective purchase price could become even lower, making the Toyota BZ one of the most affordable long-range electric vehicles ever introduced. Think about that for a moment. You're potentially looking at a brand new Toyota EV for the price of many used gasoline cars. And this isn't some stripped-down economy vehicle. The Toyota BZ is expected to arrive with specifications that could challenge even mid-range electric vehicles. This car isn't just affordable. It's efficient, practical, and packed with modern technology. Reports suggest it could feature a 55 kilowatt-hour LFP battery pack, delivering a WLTP-rated range of around 550 kilometers, roughly 340 miles under EPA estimates. Even by conservative standards, that's impressive. Most affordable EVs offer between 200 and 300 kilometers of range. The Toyota BZ 2026 could comfortably exceed that benchmark. It is expected to use a highly efficient single-motor rear-wheel drive setup, delivering strong performance while maximizing energy efficiency. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour is estimated at around 6.5 seconds, placing it among the quickest vehicles in its price segment. The expected top speed is approximately 170 kilometers per hour, making long-distance highway driving comfortable and practical. Charging capabilities are also expected to be highly competitive. The Toyota BZ is rumored to support DC fast charging up to 250 kilowatts, allowing the battery to recharge from 10% to 80% in roughly 22 minutes under ideal conditions. If these figures become reality, the the Toyota BZ could completely redefine what buyers expect from an affordable electric vehicle. Now try finding that kind of charging speed on any other electric vehicle in this price range. In fact, try finding it on most EVs priced under $40,000. Now, let's step inside. Toyota has embraced a clean, modern cabin design with the Toyota BZ 2026. The interior focuses on simplicity, premium materials, and a driver-centric layout. A large central touchscreen controls most vehicle functions, while digital connectivity, wireless updates, and smart customization features create a seamless driving experience. Owners can receive new software features and system improvements through over-the-air updates, ensuring the vehicle continues to improve over time. For fleet operators, ride-sharing services, and commercial applications, Toyota is also expected to offer practical interior configurations designed to maximize durability, comfort, and operating efficiency. But the real innovation isn't just inside the cabin. It's in the way Toyota is building this vehicle. The Toyota BZ 2026 is expected to feature an advanced camera-based driver assistance system supported by powerful onboard computing. Multiple high-resolution cameras continuously monitor the road, helping power advanced safety technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, and intelligent parking assistance. Rather than relying on unnecessary complexity, Toyota's approach focuses on improving efficiency, reducing manufacturing costs, and delivering dependable technology that can easily be updated as software continues to evolve. Toyota's strategy is straightforward: simplify production, reduce unnecessary components, improve manufacturing efficiency, and allow software to enhance the ownership experience long after the vehicle leaves the factory. That strategy raises one important question. If Toyota can truly deliver a 550-kilometer electric vehicle for under $16,000, what happens to every other automaker trying to sell EVs that cost twice as much while offering fewer features? The answer lies in Toyota's manufacturing strategy. The company plans to dramatically increase production while reducing costs through next-generation factories and highly automated production systems. And much of that strategy begins with advanced manufacturing facilities designed specifically for the next generation of electric vehicles. But the biggest advantage isn't simply where the Toyota BZ will be built, it's how it will be built. Traditional automotive assembly lines move vehicles through long production stages, with hundreds of individual parts added one step at a time. Toyota is investing heavily in smarter manufacturing methods that simplify production, improve precision, and significantly reduce assembly time. Modular production techniques allow different vehicle sections, including battery systems, chassis components, and electric drivetrains, to be assembled simultaneously before final integration, increasing both speed and manufacturing efficiency. The company is also expected to expand the use of large structural castings and lightweight vehicle architecture, reducing the number of individual components while improving structural strength and lowering production costs. By integrating the battery structure more efficiently into the vehicle platform, Toyota can reduce overall weight, improve rigidity, enhance safety, and streamline manufacturing. Electronics have also been redesigned with efficiency in mind. A more centralized computing architecture reduces wiring, simplifies electronic systems, lowers manufacturing costs, and enables faster software updates throughout the vehicle's lifetime. Every improvement serves the same goal: making the Toyota BZ more affordable to build while delivering technology and performance that buyers would normally expect from vehicles costing significantly more. Fewer cables, simplified installation, and a more centralized electronic architecture all reduce the chances of faults while making assembly faster and more efficient. Every improvement contributes to one major goal: building high-quality electric vehicles at significantly lower production costs. Toyota's next-generation EV manufacturing facilities are expected to dramatically reduce production time compared to conventional assembly lines. By combining automation, modular manufacturing, and advanced robotics, Toyota aims to produce the Toyota BZ faster, more efficiently, and at a much lower cost than many traditional manufacturers. One of the key production hubs is expected to play a major role in global manufacturing, helping Toyota increase output while maintaining consistent quality standards. Strategic factory locations also allow the company to shorten supply chains, reduce transportation costs, and improve delivery times across major markets. Toyota is also strengthening relationships with regional battery and electronics suppliers, allowing critical components to be sourced closer to production facilities. This not only reduces logistics costs, but also helps stabilize production during periods of high demand. Many of Toyota's new manufacturing facilities are being designed with sustainability in mind, incorporating renewable energy, energy-efficient equipment, and lower carbon production methods that reduce long-term operating costs while supporting the company's environmental goals. But perhaps the biggest impact of the Toyota BZ 2026 will be on traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. The average new gasoline vehicle still costs tens of thousands of dollars while requiring continuous spending on fuel, oil changes, engine servicing, transmission maintenance, and hundreds of mechanical components that eventually wear out. If the Toyota BZ 2026 delivers the expected combination of affordability, long driving range, and low operating costs, it could dramatically reduce the total cost of vehicle ownership for millions of buyers. Electric vehicles also require far less routine maintenance than conventional internal combustion vehicles. With fewer moving parts, no engine oil changes, no exhaust system, and fewer mechanical wear components, owners can potentially save thousands of dollars throughout the life of the vehicle. Industry analysts believe that as affordable long-range EVs become widely available, demand for traditional gasoline-powered vehicles could gradually decline, accelerating the global transition toward electric mobility. And this transformation isn't limited to North America or Europe. Toyota sees enormous opportunities across developing markets where affordability, reliability, and manufacturing scale are even more important. The Toyota BZ 2026 is expected to be positioned as a global electric vehicle designed not only for developed countries, but also for rapidly growing markets across Asia, South America, the Middle East, and other emerging economies. To support that expansion, Toyota is expected to increase localized production and regional assembly wherever possible. Building vehicles closer to customers reduces import costs, improves supply chain efficiency, and allows pricing to remain highly competitive in local markets. India is expected to become one of Toyota's most important EV markets. With growing government support for electric vehicles, expanding charging infrastructure, and rapidly increasing consumer demand, the country represents a major opportunity for affordable electric mobility. If locally assembled, the Toyota BZ 2026 could become one of the most competitively priced long-range electric vehicles in the Indian market, competing directly with popular gasoline SUVs and compact crossovers while offering substantially lower running costs. Toyota is also expected to strengthen its presence across countries such as Indonesia, Brazil, and other high-growth regions, where expanding local manufacturing and strategic partnerships can further reduce costs while improving availability. Rather than focusing on a single market, Toyota's long-term strategy is to make the Toyota BZ 2026 a truly global electric vehicle, one capable of competing on price, efficiency, and practicality almost everywhere it is sold. The Toyota BZ 2026 has been designed with global usability in mind. Its compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver through crowded city streets, whether in São Paulo, Jakarta, or Mumbai. At the same time, its expected 550 kilometers driving range makes it practical for long-distance travel across larger countries such as Canada, China, and Brazil. In developing markets where charging infrastructure is still expanding, this level of range isn't just convenient, it's essential. Toyota's long-term vision goes beyond personal transportation. The company is also targeting commercial fleets, ride-hailing services, delivery operators, and government mobility programs. Ride-sharing platforms and commercial fleet operators across Asia, South America, and other emerging markets represent enormous opportunities. With significantly lower operating costs compared to gasoline-powered vehicles, the Toyota BZ 2026 could become an attractive choice for businesses looking to reduce fuel and maintenance expenses. The Toyota BZ 2026 isn't simply designed for roads around the world, it's designed for the economics of global transportation. Globally, Toyota's biggest competition comes from rapidly growing Chinese and European electric vehicle manufacturers. The BYD Dolphin continues to attract buyers with its competitive pricing and practical range, while European manufacturers are preparing new affordable EVs aimed at the same market segment. Volkswagen is developing its next-generation compact electric vehicles, and Renault is also expanding its affordable EV lineup. Meanwhile, manufacturers such as General Motors, Hyundai, and several Chinese brands are accelerating development to compete in the affordable long-range EV market. Toyota's biggest advantage could be its combination of manufacturing experience, worldwide reliability, efficient production systems, and an extensive global dealer and service network. Combined with modern software updates, advanced safety technology, and lower ownership costs, the Toyota BZ 2026 has the potential to become one of the strongest competitors in the affordable EV segment. As excitement around affordable long-range electric vehicles continues to grow, investors and industry analysts are paying close attention. Many believe that whichever manufacturer successfully delivers an affordable EV with excellent range, reliability, and profitability could reshape the global automotive market over the next decade. If Toyota successfully executes its strategy, production could eventually reach millions of units annually, making the Toyota BZ 2026 one of the company's most important global vehicle launches. Such a shift would also affect the broader automotive supply chain. As electric vehicle adoption accelerates, demand for traditional combustion engine components, including transmissions, exhaust systems, fuel systems, and engine-related parts, is expected to decline over time, forcing many suppliers to adapt to an increasingly electric future. However, the road ahead is not without challenges. Like every major automaker, Toyota must navigate changing regulations, expanding charging infrastructure, evolving battery technology, and growing competition from manufacturers around the world. Battery performance in extremely cold climates remains an engineering challenge for many electric vehicles, particularly those using LFP, lithium iron phosphate, battery chemistry. Manufacturers continue working to improve cold weather efficiency, charging performance, and overall battery durability through ongoing research and software optimization. Even with these challenges, the Toyota BZ 2026 has the potential to become one of the most influential affordable electric vehicles of the decade, provided it can deliver on the performance, pricing, and production targets that have generated so much global attention. In extremely cold climates, LFP, lithium iron phosphate batteries can experience reduced driving range, with lower temperatures affecting overall battery efficiency. This remains an industry-wide challenge for many affordable electric vehicles, particularly in regions such as Northern Europe, Canada, and the Northern United States. Toyota is expected to continue improving battery management software and thermal control systems to minimize these effects. But cold weather performance will remain an important consideration for buyers living in harsh winter climates. Like every major automaker, Toyota also faces manufacturing challenges as it expands global EV production. Building millions of electric vehicles each year requires stable supply chains, efficient factories, and sustainable manufacturing practices. Environmental regulations, local infrastructure, and community partnerships will all play an important role in ensuring long-term production success. Battery raw materials such as lithium and phosphate also remain subject to global market fluctuations. Although Toyota continues to strengthen supplier partnerships and invest in long-term battery strategies, changing commodity prices and geopolitical developments could still influence production costs across the entire EV industry. Another key challenge is maintaining consistent build quality while rapidly increasing production. Scaling an affordable electric vehicle for global markets requires exceptional manufacturing precision, reliable quality control, and continuous process improvements. For consumers, the message is simple. If the Toyota BZ 2026 delivers on its promised price, range, and technology, it could completely redefine what buyers expect from an affordable electric vehicle. With lower running costs, modern features, and growing EV infrastructure, it has the potential to become one of Toyota's most important electric cars yet. Whether it lives up to the hype remains to be seen, but one thing is certain. The future of affordable electric mobility is changing fast. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.